one. Good job.
What was it? Oh yeah, he's down there.
That was a pack of hogs.
That's a pack of hogs.
Man, that was sweet.
That's coming out of it, will you? Bet that's about 75 pounds. Maybe more.
Hold on, let me get on him. Yeah. The wind's okay, so you won't have to. He might come to the left. Yeah, let him come. Where'd he go? He just took off. Last I saw him, he was going that way chasing a hog. Wow, as Turtle Man would say, that's some live action.
Great day. Woo. That was a workout.
You're still pretty quick, John.
Do what?
You're still pretty quick for an old man.
Yeah.
Was he still running when he was coming through here, or did he stop?
Yeah. No, I shot him.
You shot him on the run?
I shot him from over there. He was right here. I shot him. Finally had to stop and take a shot. Because he wasn't slowing down. He was about 30 yards ahead of me the whole time.
John, that was awesome. You, what were you thinking when he started charging you?
Well, I didn't know what to think when he was up there kicking.
Yeah.
So I went up.
Man, that was some pretty loud.
Oh, he was raising.
It was pretty
He
intimidating.
was raising sand. I walked up there and I thought I shot him in the head. He was thrashing around so much that I guess I either missed him or hit him in the leg. And he hopped up and he came right at me. And then he turned to get away.
Yeah.
He was just trying to get away. He wasn't trying to
You were
come
just
at
in
me.
his way.
I was just in the way.
But he's got some big cutters, though. If he wanted to take a little bit of you on his way by.
He'd have probably gotten a good nip.
Yeah, he could have done pretty good.
But then I shot and I think I totally missed him. And then I took to chasing him. I said, my goodness, there's no way I can fire 3 times and not bring the bacon home.
Man, that was something.
That was a lot of fun.
That was.
I suspect I ran after him for 200, 250 yards.
Yeah, I lost you. I didn't even try to keep up with you.
He was trotting. He looked like a bear going through there. But finally, he got into this privet, and I couldn't quite keep up running through this privet. So I had time enough to shoot again, and I hit him in the back.
Was he moving pretty quick?
He was moving pretty good. You could tell he was slow. I just didn't want to get him out of sight.
Yeah.
I figured if he got out of our sight, we may never find him.
You're going to lose him. I'm not sure if he was leaving much blood, but they usually don't. So, and he was big. We were just slipping through those hardwoods, and I just saw the top of his back, maybe about that much of his back.
Yeah.
I didn't realize he was that big.
Right.
And the wind was perfect, and we just tipped along there. Really on the way back to the truck, we kind of called it a morning, and one hog, we called it a morning, and kind of taking a little slip back to the truck.
Yeah.
And
I didn't even see it. We were probably not more than 40 yards from it.
Yeah.